Fully automated robotic fitting and welding has long held the potential to revolutionize the structural steel fabrication industry. The future has now arrived. Since 1968, Lexicon Fabricators and Instructors has been a pioneer in steel construction and fabrication. Today, Prospect Steel, a division of Lexicon, is the world's leader in the use of robotic technology in the structural steel fabrication industry. Operating 3 robotic assembly lines with 8 total robots for a fully automated fitting and welding solution that supports the production of up to 100,000 tons of structural steel per year in its Little Rock and Blytheville, Arkansas plants. This significant investment, which began in 2015, has maintained Prospect Steel's position as a global leader, providing customers with the highest quality product within the shortest lead time and at competitive pricing. Our results are unrivaled. Part scanning and 3D model verification, robotic fitting and welding, increased productivity and throughput, faster turnarounds and improved schedules, all for overall better quality and greater accuracy. Thanks to our robotic assembly lines and near total automation, there's almost no downtime and impeccable safety and quality control, literally leaving no room for human error. From skyscrapers to oil refineries, automotive plants to stadiums, distribution centers to hospitals, and even steel mills themselves. If it requires structural steel construction, Prospect Steel is building for the future. Prospect Steel leads the world in innovation, advanced manufacturing, and now, robotic fabrication systems. Every day, we are defining excellence.